Hi, my name's Chris Hughes. I'm a lecturer on the Football Coaching and Performance Specialist degree here at Glyndŵr University, and I'm also a UEFA Pro Licence coaching qualification holder. Here at Glyndŵr University we offer a bespoke course which is unique in the football industry. We have really good relationships with the Football Association of Wales, who are our key partner. You will also be given the opportunity to undertake your coaching badges, the FAW Leaders Award, the FAW C certificate and the UEFA B licence. Here at college we have access to full-size grass pitches, 3G pitch and a performance analysis suite. As you can see from the surroundings, it's a real high-level environment to be working in. Previous students have gained employment in different roles across the world, including performance analysis, football coaching, physiology and psychology. If you would like to be ahead of the game and join us on this unique course, please visit our website to apply.